Alright, people. Just because the news has got the UFO story stuff coming out, so I thought I would highlight some aspects for you and tell you what's really the deal is. Alright. Once upon a time, there was a war in heaven, and the Creator kicked Michael out, aka Lucifer. When Lucifer landed on this planet, he did the double. He plays Jesus and Lucifer himself. So, and a lot of the angels turned into grays. Okay? So, number one, what did he do? He used his seed to get people to follow him. That's the Rh negative bloodline, which is copper-based DNA and it lacks iron. Okay? Rh negative blood is type O negative blood. Okay? That's the crown. Okay? Those are the reptilians. So, he has a little army down here now, and he's got all his little followers that follow Jesus, aka Michael, aka Horus. And it's been going on and on and on. And it goes all the way back to Atlantis. Now, the Atlanteans became materialistic. Okay? There were the materialistic priests, and then there was the other people that were like, no, we need to be el natural, right? Well, that got shot down because Lucifer wanted control of this planet. So how do you take care of control of the planet? Well, you do this. You start with your seed, and you have mind control, and you're the pharaoh, right? So, here's your grays. Okay. So what he's doing is he's selling the blood story, right? Okay. So I'm so interested. It's Mr. Silver, huh? Well, Mr. Silver are the Pleadians. The Pleadians are the fallen ones. And let me tell you, they wear silver armor. They're angels. They're the fallen angels. And they look slick as snakes, man. So, Dr. Ellis Silver, right? AKA Pleiadian fallen angel dude. Alright, let's moving on here. So, woo, look. We have drawings on the wall. Yeah. So in other words, Earth was invaded. Okay, so he's going to sell you this story how humans are not from Earth. Okay. Well, if you piss off the Creator's going to kick you out, right? So where are you going to go? I will corrupt the very thing that you love, Earth. So Lucifer used his seed to dominate this planet. So we are from Earth. It's just that it's corrupt. It's got a corrupt bloodline. And that's the crown. Okay? It's just that for me personally, I don't like to be here. Because it's such a fucking low vibration. Because he always promotes war on this planet. So, you are from Earth. Your original origins are from Earth. It's just that Lucifer got kicked out, and he came down here and he brought the fallen angel. A third of the angels fell, and they polluted the planet with their DNA. All right, so that's how you get the crown. So here we go. Ellis Silver, yeah, Mr. Silver, Pleiadian. I could read right through it. Okay, the Neanderthals, those are the mixture of the blood. That's why he's going to sell you the crossing of genetics. Humans with an alien species, which is his bloodline. Okay? Yeah. So these are the grays. You can tell by the Anunnaki head. Okay. Now, from what I understand, Alex Collier says that they are crossbreeding humans with this DNA, but they're having problems with the soul because the soul won't attach to this. So, when you come from a higher dimension, you attach to a human form. Okay? But, you know, you got your black-eyed children. The black-eyed children comes from this. It's called cloning. Yeah. Cloning. So, you know. Yeah, the grays, you got the tall grays, and you got the zeta reticuli, which are real assholes. Okay. So, species with amnesia, whatever. Our forgotten history. There was a great war, people. There was a huge war in heaven. And he got kicked out. The creator said, enough of this shit. And he crash landed here, man. Boom. So, these UFOs have been on the planet for thousands of years. Yeah, Mr. Slick. Yeah. See? So this part of this thing is true. It was not from Africa, but it originated in Atlantis. Yeah. So there's been many, 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 many wars on this planet. So... Alright, so he adds that roughly about 85% of all humans have RH blood, positive blood. The royal families have negative blood, which is true. Typo negative. Because they lack iron. Copper-based DNA. Okay? Yeah, Mr. Silver, man. Mr. Pleiadian dude. Yeah, blood. How do you dominate the planet? With your seed. And how do you control your family? With your seed. Mind control. Because if you know the DNA on the planet, you can control the masses. Sending frequencies and shit. And that's what all TIs need to realize. So, yeah. So, Mr. Slick here, Mr. Silver, is Mr. Pleiadian. So, it's definitely a fallen planet, don't get me wrong, but originally the humans were here because the Creator created us, and then, like I said, some shit went down in heaven. He got kicked out. And he did a huge campaign up in heaven. 30 of the angels rolled out with him. So, this right here, humans are not from Earth. That's false. You are from Earth. It's just, it's corrupt. It's been corrupted for thousands and eons and centuries and whatever you want to call it. So, like I said, Lucifer did two things on this planet. His seed and religion. Seed and religion. Seed and his religion. Yippee skippy. Yeah, he's real slick, man. Yeah. So... he says here, 200 years ago, I think it was, what was the number I said? 650,000 years ago, there was a great war. I think that's the number I got. I can't remember, is it 650? Fuck, I can't remember. 650,000 years ago, there was a great war. So, round and round, what comes around goes around. So anyways, here's this. And then there's this other guy, he had a video. Hold on here. Let me find it. Oh, here, mystery object falls from the sky over Vegas. Whee! Here we go.
I'm going to loop the these. They're going at actual speed.
Looks like plasma to me.
It begins with one
It's
object
plasma.
coming down and another object going up,
Starting
and
Star
then
Wars
another
stuff,
object
man.
going down again. So this is just insane, you know. So this is looping. The first one coming down.
Okay.
It's going full speed into
That's
wherever
plasma,
it's
people.
going. I was actually looking directly towards the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, which is very near Nellis.
Kaboom.
But from what I can see, this doesn't appear to be happening anywhere near Nellis. Now this one is much more difficult to see. It's going upward from left to right, and it's going over the top of that metal power pole, a gigantic metal power pole. Sorry, I just woke up. I can't speak well.
Cats and dogs sleeping with one another.
And then the final object is going down again, just full speed. All three of these objects are going full speed in every direction, up and down. So once this one's done looping, then you're going to see all three of them, how it actually happened. Not even 43 seconds apart.
Plasma. Can we say plasma?